Ready? Where's your mic? Ay, pwede pong humingi ng mic. Yan!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, my beautiful wife, the most beautiful person in this whole entire world,
Wow!
Mrs. Sarah Geronimo Gudichelli.
Love. Alam mo, mahal, wala kang choice. Dinesisyonan mo yan. Forever na to.
Forever talaga. Forever talaga.
Hindi, talagang ang alam niyo po kung ano yung natutunan namin sa marriage, ang forever, hindi yan guarantee, no? Hindi yan guarantee na dahil pareho po kayo ng faith na mag-asawa, ay it will last forever. What will make it last for a long, long time is your faith in God. Di ba, love? Yung continuous yun, yung pagtitiwala, and you continue to grow, kayo pong mag-asawa, yung faith ninyo sa Panginoon hindi nawawala. Di ba, love? And speaking of, lumalabas yung pagka... Speaking of, pananampalataya po, alam nyo yung aking asawa ay meron din pong pagtiwala po sa akin. Talagang may mga gabi po na talaga pong dinadaga po talaga ako. Actually po, ang concert na ito ay dapat po nung February pa. Ay, hindi pa, December pa yata last year. Pero talaga pong kinakabahan po ako ng gusto. But may mga tao po talaga na patuloy po na nag-push sa akin to do the show. At isa po siya ng asawa ko. Thank you, love.
I'll have to say thank you to you, Baba. Because of you, you've inspired all of us. You've inspired myself. And I told you the other day, love, you have to close your eyes and realize how many people's lives you've touched. How many people's lives, how many individuals you've motivated, you've made them bloom, you've inspired them, you've made them reach their dreams. It's because you've shown them that anything is possible with love, determination, and a pure heart. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me.
Wow naman! O, tama na lang.
And you are the best thing that's ever happened to all of us.
Wow!
I love you, love, very
I love
much.
you, love. Let's sing the song, love. Kahit konti lang. Original hito.
Winter snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights are turning on like a fairy tale come true. I'm sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I prayed I would find someone, and baby I found you. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift.
Go, my love.
Watching as you softly sleep, what I'd give if I could keep just this moment, if only time stood still. But the colors fade away, but the years will make us gray. But baby, in my eyes, you still be beautiful.
All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day.
You saved my heart from being
day for the gift, for the gift.
Geronimo Micheling!
Love, kunyari ka pa, alam mo na eh.
Hindi ko alam, sabi mo.
Ba't ka nagsuot?
Okay, your turn. Thank you, everybody. Love you, Bob.
Palakpakan po natin ang asawa ko, Mateo Bulicelo. Thank you, love. Ah! Diba ba? Ang cute nyo. Parang kiss lang, ituwang-tuwa kayo. Kayo talaga. Hindi pa kayo nakakiss. At ngayong gabi po, dahil napag-uusapan naman